Friends, welcome back to another video. In this video tutorial I will show you how to fix Sky Children of the Light game not launching or not opening or won't start error on PC. So let's go through the methods. The very first method is to restart your PC as well as Steam. So Steam users, click on Steam option, click on exit. After that click on Windows icon, click on power and then select restart. So this will restart your PC as well as Steam. After that launch the game and check. If not, next is to modify launch option. For that go to Steam, under library section select your game. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. If the issue still continues, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the game as admin. So for that go to Steam, under library section select your game, right click on it, click on manage. Now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the game application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't resolve the issue, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode 4, select Windows 8 or Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't resolve the problem, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, click on apply and OK and then launch the game and check if it's working. But if the game still doesn't work, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and launch and move to the next method. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that go to the Windows search for Windows security. After that here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. Now here you have to check if the game is listed or not. So first of all search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, you have to click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. After adding it, select the game, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked and then click on OK. Finally launch the game and check. Next is to verify integrity of game files. For that go to Steam, select your game, under library section right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will check and verify the game files, wait for some time and after that launch it and check if the game is opening or not. Next is to update your graphics card. So for that go to the Windows search. Now search for device manager. Now here you have to expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that launch the game and check. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next method is to check for Windows update. So for that go to the Windows search. Now search for settings, click on Windows update, click on check for updates and this will check if there is any update available for your Windows. If yes, update your Windows to the latest version and after that try to launch the game and check if the game is opening or not. Next is to check graphics settings of the game. So if your graphics settings are not properly set up like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly or even lower the graphics settings to avoid any kind of unwanted issue. Next solution is to close background apps. So for that go to the Windows search for task manager. Under background processes tab, here you have to check for those apps which are running in the background without any use. You simply have to select it, right click on it and click on end task. So this will close the app that is running in the background. After that launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. So for that I have already provided the link in the description. You simply have to copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here you have to click on the link to download. Once it is downloaded, you have to open it. You will get repair or install option. Click on it and wait for some time and after you get setup successful message, close this. Now restart your PC and after that again log into the game, click on the play button to check whether the game is opening or not. If not, next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that go to the Windows search for settings. After that here you have to search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that click on add a desktop app. After that go to the game folder. So you have to go to the game folder over here, application add it to the list over here. Now after you add your game to the list, you have to select it, click on the arrow icon. Under GPU preference you have to select high performance and after that try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If not, next you should disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, go to Steam option, click on Steam settings, now click on in-game, and here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. Once you disable this, launch the game and check. Next is to change virtual memory settings. So for that, go to the Windows search. Now search for view advanced system settings. Click on settings, click on advanced, click on change, select the drive where your game has been installed. After this, select custom size. In the initial size you have to type 12288, and in the maximum size you have to type 24576. Now click on set and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So after following all the methods discussed in this video, if you still face the same issue, you are suggested to reinstall the game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, and now right click on it. Click on manage, and now click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game from your PC. After that, restart your PC. Once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Sky Children of the Light game, and finally click on the play button to check whether it's working or not.